been leaking anytime the guy flushes upstairs. All right. Okay, this area is much cleaner. We're gonna thin set these two pieces. They're cleaning them downstairs. Okay, folks, so we're having technical difficulties and we're having to do a service plumbing special. The closet bin for that cast iron flange and drain had a very short sweep. As a matter of fact, it looked like a vent 90, and I don't know, maybe it could be, but we tried this. This is a regular street 90. Tried putting the flange on top. Say what? Yeah, whatever. So this didn't work. So this is actually the 90 for a 3-inch P-trap, and then we have a 4x3 no hub band. But this is gonna work good. It's gonna drain perfectly. The problem with all these is that the flange set too high. So I was thinking, okay, well we could raise it one of these on top of the finished floor and it would be okay. But this was still too high. Whereas this perfectly lines up in the middle and it sits flush on top of this floor. All right, we got one more. Put another piece of wood there. All right, I'm satisfied with this. I mean, that's really on there. As good as it's gonna get, to be honest with you. Yep, that's really on there now. All right, that's good, bro. That's perfect. It's as good as it's gonna get. The bolts are a little cattywampus, but it'll be all right. Put a little tile, something or another. Yeah. Take that down. Throw that away. There you go. No, pretty much.
Yeah.
There's our little makeshift. So we had screws to... All right, go ahead. There's no way this is gonna leak, man. I mean, that was so hard to get in right there. Torqued all this. No, that's good, man. All right. It's a 4x3. So on a job like that, we let the owner know what's going on. Hey, the floor needs to be replaced. It's rotted out. We can do the best that we can do with what we got. But look, man, we can't warranty any of this because the flange is not perfectly anchored like I like it to be. I gotta admit, I mean, after we put those blocks up there, it was pretty straight, I will say. But I still told him, I said, look, man, this is not, the floor's all cracked, the floor's all cracked, tiles cracked, you know, we're trying to make it work, and it's just not ideal. He said, don't worry about it. Just do the best you can. So what I do is I write, you know, no warranty. We can't warranty any of this. And some people are like, okay, no problem, just go ahead. And other people, you know, really think about it and say, okay, well, let's do it right. To do that right in there, you would have need to pull up all that tile, maybe not the entire bathroom, but the section where the toilet sat at least, put in new subfloor, completely rotted out, and new tile. That's the way to do it, because that hole was entirely too big. So